Hello, in this video I want to show you how to easily find your HAFURY GT20 inside your room if you lost it somewhere with Google Assistant. And to do this, first make sure that you have Google Assistant set for the lock screen and that your phone is not in a silent mode. Now we can loudly say, "Hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, where are you?"
I'm in Google's cloud, so technically, I still live with my parents.
So that your phone will make a sound, and that way it will be easy to find your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.